So here we have the Wuben X0 flashlight. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, here's the flashlight, super unique design. It also comes with a USB-C charger, great addition. Pretty solid frame, along with some aluminum accents, pretty cool. There's a belt clip and a flapper up top that lets you access the USB-C port. It also acts as the button to turn it on and cycle through the different modes. The bottom has a nice strong magnet on it, so it'll stick to metal, actually really well. It would definitely make a great work light if you're a mechanic. Just something to note, if you want to use it as a headlamp, it fits into the same headlamp band as the E7. And I really like this thing. It's also IP68 rated waterproof. Anyway, let me quickly go through all the different modes. Hold it down and it'll smoothly cycle through all the different brightness settings. And if you double click it while it's on, it'll turn on to a turbo mode, which is super bright. If you double tap it when it's off, it'll turn on a strobe. And if you double tap it again, it'll turn on an SOS. You can also turn on a super dim light by just holding it down. Not quite sure what you'd use this for, but yeah, it's just a really dim light. And if you tap it 4 times, it'll blink a few times and then lock itself. And then it doesn't work until you tap it 4 times again. This is the high setting at about 250 lumens, decently bright. Now I'll double tap it for the turbo. There we go. That's a bit brighter. The turbo will only stay on for about a minute and then it'll turn down to the high brightness, and that's just to save your battery. Speaking of battery, it'll last about 2.5 hours on the full brightness and 40 hours on the low brightness. So yeah, overall it's a pretty unique flashlight and definitely worth taking a look at.